The idea is water flows down here, rushes down. This is all quite big rock, so it's got capacity for water to flow through it up to a point. The pile fields is just to try and disrupt velocity, capture maybe some debris. We'll put in coir logs, plant that out just to control erosion.
What kind of plants would you put in that?
We'll put some sedges or reeds in the wet section, and then lomandras, a bunch of them. It's going to add value to the landscape as well as biodiversity and other things over time.
You were saying the cattle were up to their shoulders in the water.
Just the mud. They were just tearing that bank. It was just collapsing because, you know, all that weight, and they're trying to pull themselves through. So now that'll be fenced off.
I think I would have underestimated the amount of damage that the cattle access caused. Yeah, there were tracks and things there, but what you don't realise is that those tracks provide the water a direct path to the soil. And as soon as it's got a direct path to the soil, it starts to chew it out. Yeah, that's the difference about just having any kind of vegetation, even if it's not perfect in the first instance.
My role's predominantly to pick sites, have ideas, visit the sites, talk to landholders. There's a couple of Indigenous rangers working with Rous, so getting them out and just doing some different things and also listening to them about what they think is quite interesting.
What are the benefits for them, and how would they go about finding out about how to do this work?
There's sort of no right answer to what you do because it depends on your property and your landscape and your resources. If you've got rock or timber on site, you can build structures. You can do it with a tractor and a bucket. It might not be as efficient as an excavator, but it'd be cheaper. And plants. People get very excited about this stuff, but it's the plants that ultimately do everything.
We kind of thought it was maybe a 20-year project to connect the plantings that we already had down to the river, and you know, I think we're going to do it in 10. That's really been incredible from our perspective.